All right, so today we started talking about arithmetic sequences, okay, and I'm going to work through a couple of these problems from your homework tonight. All right, it says given the first term and the common difference of an arithmetic sequence, write the equation for the nth term and then find the first three terms. So I'm going to work through 1 and 3 over here. Actually, I'll work through 1 and 4. I'll go 1 and 4. Okay, so for problem number 1, okay, remember we're going to use our general formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. They gave us our a1, that's 28. They gave us our d, which is 10. Okay, we're going to distribute backwards, so that's 10n minus 10. And then 28 minus 10 is going to give me 10n plus 18. So that is your equation. Couple of ways you can do the second part of this if it's looking for the first three terms. You know the first term is 28. Okay, and you are adding a 10 every time. That's your difference. So it's going to be 38 and 48. Or you could have plugged in both 1, 2, and 3 for n. So in other words, like 10 times 1 will be 10, 10 plus 18 is 28. 10 times 2 will be 20, 20 plus 18 is 38. 10 times 3 will be 30, 30 plus 18 is 48. All right, so let's shift over here now. I'm going to set them to do problem number 4. So same thing, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Our a1 is 35 and our d is 4. So again, we're going to distribute here. That's going to give me 4n minus 4. Okay, and 35 minus 4 is going to give me 4n plus 31 for our equation. Okay, our first term was 35, and we're adding 4 each time, making it 39 and then 43. Okay, so you'll do the same thing for problems 2 and 3. All right, for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, I've got 5, 7, and 9 up here, okay? They want you to find the common difference and then write the equation, okay? So each time we're going to have to see what's going on here. So if you notice right here, our common difference between each one of these is it is going down by 3. Okay, so a sub n equals a1 is 35, n minus 1 times negative 3. Remember, you're not finished here. Okay, so that's going to be a minus 3n and a plus 3. And then 35 plus 3 will give us a final answer of negative 3n plus 38. All right, since your negative numbers are continuing to get larger here, it's going to be you're subtracting 30, so that is your difference there. Here you are subtracting 2. I'll knock out number 9. Okay, so a sub n is going to be a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times our difference. So that's negative 2n plus 2. And negative 7 plus 2 gives me negative 5. All right, and then the bottom part is our vertex stuff that we were going over again. Just remember to find the vertex, you have to first start by finding your axis of symmetry for your x value. Okay, so it's going to be opposite of negative 16 is positive 16 over 2 times 1. So 8 is your x value. And you're going to plug that value in to figure out your y value. Okay, and you know that 8 squared is 64. 16 times 8 is going to be 128, so that's going to give you a negative 64. Plus 2 is going to be a negative 62. All right, and then down here on number 14, we'll say, so that's going to be opposite b over 2a. So negative 30 over negative 6, which is 5. So plug 5 in. Okay, that's going to give you 25, negative 75. Negative 75 plus 150 is going to give you 75, and 75 plus 5 is going to give you 80. Okay, it did also ask us to identify whether it is a min or a max. Remember, if your squared term is positive, it opens up, so that's a min. If your squared term is negative, it opens down, so that is a max.